Frequent headaches can be more than just a minor inconvenience. They can significantly impact your quality of life. If you find yourself constantly reaching for pain relievers, you'll probably be wondering, why do I get headaches so often? Understanding the root cause of these recurring headaches is crucial for finding relief and improving your overall well-being. Common causes of frequent headaches. One of the most common causes of frequent headaches is stress. According to research published in the journal Headache, stress triggers tension-type headaches, the most prevalent form of headache, affecting up to 80% of the population at some point in their lives. These headaches often feel like a tight band around the head and are usually caused by prolonged periods of stress, anxiety, and poor posture. Another master and major contributor is dehydration. The brain is highly sensitive to changes in dehydration and hydration levels, and even mild dehydration can cause headaches. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that water deprivation can significantly increase the frequency and severity of headaches in certain individuals. Migraine headaches are another common reason for frequent head pain. These are typically more severe and can be accompanied by symptoms like nausea, light sensitivity, and visual disturbances. According to the research in the Lancet Neurology, migraine are often linked to genetic factors, as well as environmental triggers such as certain foods, hormonal changes, and sleep disturbances. Underlying health conditions. Sometimes frequent headaches can be a sign of an underlying health condition. Sinus issues such as chronic sinusitis can cause persistent headaches due to inflammation and pressure in the sinuses. Additionally, research from the American Journal of Medicine suggests that conditions like high blood pressure or medication overuse can lead to regular headaches. If you're experiencing frequent headaches, it's essential to identify the triggers and address any underlying causes. Simply changes like managing stress, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep can make a big difference.